Hey everyone, just wanted to make a quick video. I was working on a Kohler Command 18 horse twin the other day, and it was on site, so I had to keep driving back and forth, but it was having problems with it backfiring through the intake really bad. So I cleaned the carb. That wasn't it. I didn't think it was. And then I pulled the flywheel, make sure that the keyway was intact, and it was. A lot of people everywhere online were like, "Oh yeah, your keyway's broken and you jumped time," but it didn't. And I checked the coils and everything like that, changed spark plugs, all that. It turned out to be the exhaust lifter on one cylinder came off, or the rocker arm came off. So I pulled the valve cover, and sure enough, that rocker arm was just hanging off to the side. The bolt just backed off. So I pulled the push rod, made sure it was straight, put it back in, tightened everything down, and it ran perfect. So if you're like pulling your hair out trying to figure out why something keeps backfiring through the intake and it's not the timing, check the valve train. That's just my advice. So that's all.